Hello everyone, how's it going? So in this video, me, Ariel, Angel, Tenny, Ben, and also Carissa will explain about something that really viral at the beginning of 2020. If we talk about it, we will little bit nostalgic about our life before pandemic, before the coronavirus disease 2019 entering Indonesia. Yes, Dalgona coffee. A sweety, creamy, and also very tasty beverage made by milk and also coffee. And in this video, we will identify clearly for you like what Dalgona is, what are the ingredients, and how to make it. So stay tuned and check this out.
Incomplete if you don't know the origin of this Dalgona coffee. So the viral trend of sharing recipes and photos of the do-it-yourself or DIY coffee first gained prominence during the social distancing orders in South Korea. And for that reason, it's dubbed the quarantine drink or quarantine coffee. The coining of the name is credited to the South Korean actor Jung Il-woo, who ordered a whipped coffee at an eatery in Macau during his appearance on KBS2 show called Star's Top Recipe at Fun Restaurant. He likened the taste to that of Dalgona, a type of Korean honeycomb toffee. Under the hashtag Dalgona Coffee Challenge, homemade versions of Dalgona coffee began spreading on South Korean YouTube channels before going viral on TikTok. The spike in interest during the quarantine period has been attributed to the calming, ASMR-like effects of watching online DIY videos, although the beverage was popularized as a homemade version of beaten coffee. It is becoming a menu offering in many coffee shops in South Korea. The drink is inspired from the Indian coffee beverage known as Penti Hui coffee, Pitti Hui coffee, or beaten coffee. The only difference is that when making Penti Hui coffee, milk is poured on top the whipped mix rather than spooning the whipped mix on top of the milk. While most Dalgona coffee does not actually contain Dalgona. One South Korean cafe does combine Dalgona with milk tea or coffee. It is not possible to make Dalgona coffee using ground coffee beans. Instant coffee creates the dense and foamy topping, and the reason for this has much to do with drying process of the coffee granules.
After we know the origin of Dalgona coffee, now we are going to know what Dalgona is. So, Dalgona coffee is new variant of coffee that has been viral during the physical distancing due to coronavirus pandemic. Dalgona coffee also very popular in society because of its limited ingredients, cheap, and easy to get. In addition, Dalgona coffee has made by many people because they feel so bored during the quarantine. Dalgona coffee is a simple mixture of instant coffee, hot water, and sugar that is shaken for a few minutes to produce a thick coffee consistency. The foam is served on a liquid milk and ice cubes. So, please note that Dalgona coffee can only be made using instant coffee, not ground coffee. This is because ground coffee cannot make the topping as hard and foamy as desired.
Okay, for the ingredients that we need to make Dalgona coffee, first of all we need 2 tablespoons of coffee, instant coffee, and then we need 2 tablespoons of sugar, and also we need 2 tablespoons of hot water, some ice cubes, and milks. Okay, and then other than that, if you have electric mixer, you can use it, but if you don't, you can use whisk like this.
And then the last thing, how to make a Dalgona coffee. Step 1. Make coffee mixture. To prepare delicious coffee, take a bowl and mix equal quantities of coffee powder, sugar, and hot water. And then the step 2, beat coffee mixture using whisker or hand blender. Now, using a whisker or hand blender, blend the coffee mixture until it is light, frothy, and creamy. This might take a good amount of time. And then the last, prepare the Dalgona coffee. This is the step 3. Now take 2 glasses or coffee mugs and add ice in it as per your convenience. Pour cold milk in them and add this beaten and whipped coffee over it, and then it's served chilled.